Good morning, residents. I hope you all remain safe and healthy. I really miss being with you and being on your campus and enjoying your fellowship. As you know, these are extraordinary times. They require extraordinary people and extraordinary measures in order to ensure the health and safety for all of us. Please know that we remain focused on your health and safety. And that requires our commitment to constantly review all of our precautions to minimize the impact of this coronavirus on all communities. We are operating out of an abundance of caution in all that we do. The precautions that we have in place now and those precautions that we may put in place in the future, please know that they're well thought out and are supported by an evidence-based approach. Sun Health is a mission-driven organization with passionate leaders and passionate staff that's committed to empower people to enjoy living longer and healthier. Our mission drives us to implement these strategies and solutions to keep us all safe. We continue to monitor and follow the recommendations of the Centers for Disease Control, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, and our various state and local health officials. We also are in contact with our area hospitals and other healthcare providers. We're pleased to share with you that Sun Health is in compliance with Governor Duty's latest executive order, the one issued yesterday, April 7th. Our commitment to you is as these recommendations change, our leadership is constantly monitoring for the most updated guidelines and make sure that we get those implemented. Our response is led by a COVID-19 task force. This task force is comprised of leaders across the organization that are highly qualified and experienced. These leaders have led and trained for many years on many different emergencies. However, notwithstanding all of that experience and training, I can tell you this is the first global pandemic we've ever been involved in. Notwithstanding the fact, let's talk about the operational procedures that we've implemented and changed. As you know, we've suspended visitation across all levels, living levels across the campus, except for essential staff and visitors. We've implemented stringent health screening procedures for staff and those visitors. We've closed the dining facilities and instituted meal delivery. We've added supplemental education resources for staff and staff training on prevention practices specifically focused on COVID-19. We remain vigilant in disinfecting all of our high traffic areas, and we will continue to act in the best interest of all the residents and maintain the integrity and safety of all of our communities. So you may be wondering, what are we going to do in the event of a COVID-19 emergency? Please know that we're doing everything possible to keep the residents and our staff within our communities safe and healthy. And in the unfortunate event that we have a resident or community team member test positive, we have developed protocols that will be immediately implemented to prevent the spread of that to anyone else. As you may know, we implemented protocols previously, immediately at our Mountain View offices as a result of a positive case. I'm pleased to report that our actions successfully contained that case and all staff are healthy and safe. So in the event of a positive case on a campus, we will assess the situation, we will implement protocols, we will look at the severity of the case, the location, the ability to fully quarantine, whether the resident needs to be hospitalized or not. We'll determine the appropriate next steps. And then we'll communicate that confirmation of a positive case and those appropriate next steps, all while respecting the HIPAA laws that are currently in place. You might ask, how are we taking care of our team members? I have to acknowledge that the tremendous work of all of our team members and dedicated staff, every day, every shift, every hour, I see Sun Health team members putting other people's needs above their own. Their actions embody the values and behaviors that are core to our culture. invested, thorough, and big-hearted. We are supporting our team with training, information on our employee portal, what I just talked about. We've also supporting them by providing a shift bonus for key positions for staff to work additional shifts. And recently, we have provided all employees across the organization a vibrant pay appreciation supplement to ensure our team members and their families are supported throughout this crisis. You might be asking yourself what you can do. I would ask each and every one of you to please continue to be vigilant, be mindful, wash your hands frequently, maintain social distance. Please look to protect yourselves and to protect others. We're all in this together. Please be understanding and patient of our team members. I know that many of the measures that we have implemented are very stringent and very unpopular. Yet they are very purposeful to maintain the integrity and the safety of our communities and of you, our residents, who have placed your trust and faith in Sun Health. So please stay home, please stay healthy, stay connected. Don't let this social distancing influence your connectivity to family and friends. Should you have any questions, please be in communications with your executive director. We communicate with your leadership team on the campus many times each day. We stand ready to support them on the campuses if need be, and we will be there for you. While our future today seems a little uncertain, I am very confident in our team. I'm very confident in our board of directors, and I'm very confident in all of you. I know that all of us working together, we will remain healthy and safe. Thank you. Have a good day.